Hi everybody, today I'm going to try to solve this Burr. It's a Burr puzzle, 13 piece. And for starting we need first to find a moving piece. I'll try this. Nothing moving there. Not there. Ah, okay. One piece moving here. Okay, let's start. Second one here. Let me see. This one looks like moving. What else can move? What else? Maybe bring back this one. No. Maybe this one. Let me see. Like that. Yes. If I bring back this one, okay. Am I using this? Just can push that. Okay. And the piece is out. First piece. Okay. No, another piece. What can I find? Another piece. Let me see. Okay, this is moving. Oh, maybe not. This one is moving. Okay, maybe this one. Yes, this one move. Okay. Second piece, third piece. Okay. Can I move this one if I slide? Maybe not. If I move this one up, no. This one, maybe this one can come. Let me see. Okay. And this one is in the way of that one. Maybe if I move a few. Come on. Yeah, that's so. I don't see what is in the way. Maybe this one is in the way, like that. No. Ah, yes, okay. Four piece. Okay. Fifth. Probably. Oh, okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the last 3 other piece. Okay, put back together. We're starting with these 2 pieces. This piece I'm going to put like that, and this piece here I'm going to try. I think I need a third hand to do it, but we'll see. Okay, this piece can come here. Okay, and this piece we move there. Okay, no. Okay, oh, okay, I think I need to move these 2 pieces. If I remember, donc this one can come here. This one can go here. I can slide for the moment. It's good. This piece slide here, and now I'm going to put back this piece here. To do it, I think I need to move this piece. Let me see. Okay, for moving I need to move maybe this piece. No, I think I need to move this piece like that. Move. No, the piece below, sorry, the piece below. Yes. And I have enough room to put this piece. Donc, I slide this piece. Should do it. Yes, okay. Ooh. Okay, no. With this piece. Starting first with this one, things can move inside a slide. Okay, in same time, before to slide, no, I'm going to slide on, oop, like that. I'm just going to put back this piece here. Sorry. Hope you can see, it's not easy to keep. And piece move here, let me see, which piece of move? Okay, come on. Close to be done. Oh. Okay. Should. Yes. One piece move inside. I don't know which one. Okay. Ah, yes. Okay. One piece left. Okay. Where I do that? I need to put up this one and down that one. Okay. To up that one like that. This one I need to move. If I remember this piece here. To do that I need to move this one. Like that. I can move this one. Like that. I move this piece on this little edge. I put back this one down. Okay. Oops. Let's move a little. Yes. Okay, no. I move this piece on that side and I need to move down that piece. I bring back this piece. Donc I move this one. And this one should, maybe I need to move another piece. Yes, move that one. This one should go down, if I remember. Yes, okay. That go down, okay. Now I need to bring back this up. Donc I move. Let me see. Try to remember. Okay, like that. Like that. I bring back this one. Okay, like that. Move this one like that. Push back this one. Let can go. Okay. Now I need to move back this one. Okay, like that. Okay. Push back this one. Okay. Bring back. Okay, this one are good. Now I need to bring back this one. Now I need to push back this one. Okay. Oh, or maybe I move some things. Oh. Last piece is a struggle. Okay. Last piece is a struggle. Okay. Bring back this one. Oh, okay. This one. That one. That one. Okay. Solve. Was not easy. Was not easy because it's wood, and the wood taught this to work, expand, shrink, and since it's very old puzzle, one piece inside just give me some trouble, but it's okay. It's solved. We take apart, we put back together. Donc the objective, it's achieved. Thank you for watching and see you next time.